So now let's see how we can work around with polls block inside of wordpress.com. So over here you can see that I have these blocks right here, and if I want to go ahead and add in polls to it, I can go in between two blocks right here and click on the plus button. So once you go ahead and type in, you can type in poll, and you can see that this is the poll block right here. So now what you can do is enter out your question. Let's say, for example, which one of the following is a computing device right here. Let's say, for example, and I'm going to go ahead and type in laptop. Let's say, for example, pen, and I'm just going to go for pencil, and I'm just going to go around and say burger right here, for example. You can also go ahead and enter out the answer. So let's just go ahead and type in laptop right here, just like this, and so forth. So I'm just going to go around over here and type in, let's see, noodles, let's say, for example, right here. So just for an example, you can see that I have these right here. So I'm just going to go around and say choose the correct answer right here, just like this, or you can go ahead and create your own poll right here with Cloud Signal as well, but this is what you have, as you can see. So if I were to go ahead and save this out, then I can go ahead and view the post right here. And once you do that, you can see that I can scroll down, and here you can see that you can choose the correct answer like laptop and so forth, as you can see right here. So as I go around, you can see that as I select it, you can see that accordingly you see the vote right here. So now if I were to go ahead and refresh this, this is more like a poll, and you get a result out of it right there. So let's just go ahead and refresh this once more, and let's select laptop once more, and you can see that there's 3 votes for laptop now, and it'll simply go ahead and then record that data and show that to the users right there. So that is how you can utilize the polls block inside of wordpress.com. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.